Thank you for joining us to learn more about the Rollins College Graphic Design Certificate. In this presentation, we'll explore more about the graphic design industry, share with you details about our curriculum and how we've structured our certificate program, and how we select our highly qualified instructors. If you have any questions after viewing this webinar, please reach out to Michelle Hamer at 407-915-3698 or graphicdesign@rollins.edu. Let's get started. Why earn a certificate in graphic design? A graphic designer's role is to translate, communicate, and sometimes advocate by giving form to ideas. Every visual element around us has been created by a designer, well, other than our natural environment. And because of the need for both print and digital design, graphic design is thriving. Companies are in need of graphic designers to create web templates, annual reports, promotional marketing materials, and more. According to the Wall Street Journal, the graphic design career track is ranked as a top 30 career. How about that for a reason? The graphic design occupation is expected to grow by 13% in the next 10 years. According to the U.S. Department of Labor, the Orlando metropolitan area is one of the top metropolitan cities in terms of having the highest employment level for this occupation. 25% of graphic design professionals are self-employed. Many full-time designers also freelance on the side. Now, this is a median wage, which means there are things that can make it higher or lower based on the type of position, location, and previous experience. Entry level may be lower, but salary growth is common as job experience is gained. What do graphic designers create? A whole host of things, including brochures, billboards, and layouts. They contribute to websites, logos, and product design. Graphic design skills touch many aspects of marketing, as well as the things we buy. Look around you right now. Is there a magazine, book, or soda can? Did you see or receive promotional ads in your email inbox today or on Facebook? Graphic designers had an impact. Graphic designers need to know not only how to use graphic design software, but also understand the principles behind good design, which include layout, color theory, and typography. Finally, this all needs to come together for a clear understanding of how the theory and application combine to make great designs for their intended delivery, such as marketing pieces, websites, promotional packages, and more. The Rollins College reputation is well known throughout the country. As a top university, having the Rollins Certificate Program credentials on your resume will speak loudly about the high level of training which you have received. You'll become part of a 125-year tradition of excellence. Rollins is consistently ranked as the top college in Florida, the top regional university in the South, and among the finest schools in the nation. Founded in 1885 by New England Congregationalists who sought to bring their style of liberal arts education to the Florida frontier, Rollins is the oldest recognized college in the state of Florida. Bordering Lake Virginia, Rollins occupies a lush 70-acre campus in a quaint community near Orlando and is characterized by its traditional Spanish Mediterranean architecture. The campus is about a 20-minute drive from downtown Orlando and about 30 minutes from the Orlando International Airport. So what sets our program apart from others? Well, for one thing, our expert instructors. They are experienced graphic design professionals that we have hand-selected for their technical knowledge and their accomplished teaching ability. Each instructor has gone through an intensive hiring process, including a teaching demonstration, to ensure they are subject matter experts as well as able to engage their students in an experiential learning environment while delivering top-notch classes. Our career development program also sets the Rollins College program apart from others. Through this, we will help you explore different career opportunities. We will help you polish your resume and develop your portfolio so that it stands out and communicates all that you can bring to an organization. Finally, we will work with you on interview techniques so that you make a great first impression. We also offer a practical, holistic approach to education. You'll learn real-world best practices, not just technical knowledge. These are not software training courses. We offer a robust educational experience that includes techniques and skill sets that you will be able to immediately apply in a work environment, such as the preliminary creative brief, brainstorming and purposeful investigation into design theory, and the technical elements necessary to not only create the final piece, but to develop an understanding of how it was created. You will participate in scenario-based exercises that replicate real-life project management and client interaction. And with our instructors being practicing designers, we're always on top of the industry's current trends. The program begins with an exploration of the principles, theories, and techniques of design, as well as an exploration into the history and business of graphic design. The 7-week Introduction to Graphic Design course will meet in an instructor-led interactive online classroom. You will meet once per week for a 2-hour class where you will be immersed in a vibrant conversation around creative application of design theory and scenario-based discussions where you will apply what you have learned each week to an outside project. From principles and techniques, you will then learn the necessary software skills and applicable tools that graphic designers use to create what you see around you on a daily basis. Your tools include Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, InDesign, and Acrobat. These class sessions are taught on the Rollins campus in our computer lab. In order for you to get the best from your learning experience, you will be required to complete outside assignments, and we want you to be able to practice your newly learned skills, so access to a computer with Adobe software is necessary. To ensure your knowledge and skills are transferable, we wrap up the certificate program with a capstone course. During the dedicated time for this course, you will meet online with your class and your instructor as you go through the process of applying your newly learned knowledge and skills attained to create your final project. A visual identity package worthy of presentation for your portfolio. This may include a logo, a brochure, and an online graphic design element. These requirements help to ensure that you will be successful in securing employment after you have completed the program. Based on what we are hearing from our expert instructors, most employers want to see a bit of depth in a resume that demonstrates dedication and focus. And we know that the completion of a 4-year degree or continuous work is a good indicator of this. In order to receive your certificate, you must complete all of the required courses. Each course has an exam on which you must score 75% or higher. You will also be required to complete the 10-week capstone project with a 70% or better score on your final capstone project. In addition to the invaluable cutting-edge best practices and real-world applicable skills you'll gain, you will be a graphic designer certified by Rollins College. The program costs $4,995, and your tuition includes all textbooks and course materials, access to the online testing center, coaching through the capstone project, and your certificate from Rollins College upon graduation. Payment in full is required when you enroll in the program. Many companies offer tuition reimbursement for professional certificate programs. Check with your employer. The majority of financial aid programs such as FAFSA are only available to students attending credit courses such as undergraduate or master's level programs. Because the certificate is a non-credit-based program through our Center for Lifelong Learning, this type of traditional student financial aid is not available. We encourage you to reach out to your own financial institution or credit union, which may have funding available for you. If you are interested in learning about continuing education loans through Rollins College, please reach out to a program advisor at 407-915-3698 or email at graphicdesign@rollins.edu. We hope we were able to answer all of your questions, but if not, please feel free to give us a call at 407-915-3698 or email at graphicdesign@rollins.edu. A program advisor will be happy to talk you through any questions that you have or help you register for the program. Thank you, and we'll see you in class.